All right, we're going straight into it. Hello, Jae Evans, I'm Global CIO at Oracle. I'm here to share with you an investment, as mentioned, that we're making. From a cloud perspective, we believe that cloud technology will help enable the kingdom's vision of 2030. Specifically, as we talked about earlier, we have a long history here in the kingdom. From a cloud perspective, we're actually already heavily invested in Jeddah. And from there, this past year, we saw triple-digit growth in that region alone. We're also well underway in delivering our second cloud region in your fantastic city of Neom. In addition, we recently announced a third public cloud investment that we're making in the kingdom, right here in Riyadh. We are very excited to help with this investment and continue the cloud adoption for the kingdom to enable your vision, your digital economy vision that you have. The key pieces that we believe at Oracle where we can help provide you with the underpinnings of a cloud framework, the building blocks to help you build your businesses for your users, your customers. We're able to provide a comprehensive cloud solution for the kingdom. Based on industry experience, we believe that cloud has helped significantly enable innovation for startup ecosystems, reducing the barrier of entry for global investment. Based on the velocity and the speed by which you can deliver cloud and features and technologies for your business, you're able to do that at a much faster pace. And this is the investment that we're offering at Oracle. The other important factor is this is not just a play for IT and information technology. As discussed earlier, we also see the investments for many, many different industries, be it financial services, modernizing healthcare, helping with agriculture and manufacturing development. These are all big investments that we see that cloud technology can help make a significant impact in growing your business. We are very excited about the partnership. We see this as a long journey ahead to help continue driving innovation for the world and specifically for this kingdom. Thank you very much and appreciate your time.